Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's quick video, I am finally getting a chance to trying out Let's Do Makeup's Bake My Day collection with Live Glam. I have really enjoyed her past Live Glam collaboration, so I'm pretty sure this is gonna be just as good, hopefully. I've had this ever since it came out back in November. But I really wanted to try it out on camera with you guys for the full experience. You guys know I love to share with you everything beauty here on this channel, so let's get started. So there are 4? No, this wasn't part of it. No, this wasn't part of it. Oops, I don't know how that got in there. So there's 3 products in this collection. And first off, this packaging is so cute. There's a Hey Sugar lip scrub, which looks like this, and I believe is retractable. But next, we have the whipped frosting lip liner. And that's what it looks like. And this is pastel. I don't remember if it's a liquid lipstick or if it's a lip gloss. But I believe it's a liquid lipstick. But let's find out. First, I'm going to be removing my current lipstick that I have on. Alright, cool. Now I'm drying my lips from the makeup remover as much as possible. Of course, the first thing we're going to go in with is the lip scrub. I love this lip scrub, especially because you don't have to touch it, or you don't have to dip your fingers in a pot. It tastes sweet, like sugar, but I definitely wouldn't eat this. But now my lips are left as soft and smooth as ever. Look at that. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the whipped frosting lip liner. See, this liner glided on so nicely. Opposed to really high-end lip liners that I have that are super scratchy on the lips. This color matches my natural lip color really well. I'm only gonna line around my lips. I'm not gonna fill it in. So now let's go in with pastel. Whoa. Oh yeah, it's so much lighter. I'm paying attention to the top. I was expecting a little brownie nude. It's a little bit sticky, so hopefully as it dries down, the stickiness goes away. One thing that I've really enjoyed of Let's Do Makeup's lip collaborations is that the liquid lipsticks, as you saw, you don't need a ton of product all over your lips. You can just apply a little bit and then spread it out with your fingers, and it looks amazing. Not only does it end up looking really soft and smooth, but it also doesn't dry up your lips like a normal liquid lipstick would. It's been about a minute or so. It still feels a little sticky. Maybe it's not fully dry yet. It looks really good. It looks like a really nice nude. I definitely see myself reaching for this lip combo all the time. And it's transfer proof. If I want to be 100% honest with you guys, it's been like 3-4 minutes and it still feels a little sticky. It's not that big of a deal, but I don't know if you guys can see. It just feels a little sticky, and the problem with it being a little sticky is that throughout its wear time, it might start peeling from sections because of how sticky it is. So I don't know how long wearing that would be, but other than that, I love the shade. I love that it doesn't feel drying on my lips, and I love this pinky nude shade. So thank you guys so much for joining me in this first impression / review of the Bake My Day lip collection by Let's Do Makeup and Live Glam. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.